Bollywood actresses who look hottest in sari. Kareena Kapoor. Is there any doubt that Kareena looks so hot and sizzling in sari? At the age of 42, her flawless beauty gushes in this traditional attire. Deepika Padukone. Deepika looks stunning in sari. She herself confessed that she loves to wear sari in every special occasion. She never thought twice to wear sari even at Cannes red carpet. After marriage, she is always seen in saris with her husband Ranveer Singh. Shilpa Shetty. Shilpa maintains the perfect body and curves to look stunning in sari. When we talk about saris, there is no doubt that we love her exclusive saris. She looks so hot in this traditional wear that she is seen in saris most of the time in events and functions. Alia Bhatt. Alia always prefers to wear sari as she looks very elegant in this attire, though she is not seen in this traditional attire very frequently. Whenever she wears a sari, she looks like traditional Indian beauty. Madhuri Dixit. This traditional beauty looks so beautiful in sari. Madhuri's beauty and glamour flaunt the way she drapes it. Malaika Arora. Malaika looks so hotter in sari than any other attire. She loves to wear exclusive and designer saris. Katrina Kaif. Katrina looks adorable in sari. She has a unique charismatic beauty that shines through this traditional wear very much. Priyanka Chopra. Sari can never make someone look this much hot as it does with Desi girl Priyanka. Having the sexy curves in perfect shape, Priyanka carries her saris like no one. Sara Ali Khan. Whether it is Western or traditional, Sara looks always hot and classy. This young actress loves to wear her mother's sari in every special occasion. Kajol. This actress confessed that she looks hot and sexy in black sari. She has a special weakness for designer and exclusive saris. Anushka Sharma. Anushka always prefers to wear sari in any wedding and event. She looks simple, sexy and hot in saris. Anushka has always managed to pull the sari look very elegantly with her smart choices. Janhvi Kapoor. Janhvi loves her mother Sridevi's saris as she thinks she looks best in the mom sari. She looks exceptionally beautiful in this classy look. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Aishwarya knows very well how to flaunt in sari. She looks absolutely amazing when she drapes any kind of designer sari. Jacqueline Fernandez. This foreign beauty carries sari like Indian women and she looks absolutely stunning in this traditional dress. Sonam Kapoor. Sonam is seen mostly in Western, but she is equally gorgeous in sari. She has a special love for saris. Being a fashion icon in Bollywood, she is famous for her experiments with saris. Kangana Ranaut. Kangana is very particular about her wardrobe as she has a huge collection of traditional saris. This actress looks very charming and sizzling in sari. Vidya Balan. Sari is Vidya's style statement. This beautiful actress looks so classy yet hot in a sari. She prefers to wear sari in every occasion. From designer saris to traditional sari, Vidya is one of the rarest actresses who carry herself effortlessly. Sonakshi Sinha. Sonakshi's appearance in sari is always a talk of B-Town as her hot curves flaunts in sari. This actress carries sari so gracefully that we cannot take our eyes off from her. Rekha. Evergreen beauty Rekha is deeply in love with her saris. At 65, she looks adorable and graceful in all her traditional saris.